I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I've stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. And I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away, and I'll stay with you.